Welcome back to Learning Football with Santhosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. In case you missed the previous episode on controlling the ball in the air, it might be a good idea to watch it now.
Hi guys, this is Santhosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. So today we are going to practice on shooting at goal. So it's all about scoring goals, and we'll progress from individual technique of shooting, and then we'll partners, and then turning, and then game situation. So I'm sure you will like it and keep practicing, and you will become better in shooting and can score many more goals and win the matches for your team. So let's begin. Come guys. Yeah, okay. Yes, come, Charles. Okay, so just simply play the ball and shoot. Yep. Oh, good shot, good save. Oh, good shot, good save. Oh, good shot, good save. Well done. Whoa, good power. So you can see they are shooting good, but we have to work on little technique to improve that. So do better shooting to give you the ball. So it's very, very important for shooting that you have to hit the lace part of the ball, middle of the ball, and then you have to put upper portion of the ball above the ball, otherwise ball go higher. So we have to try to shoot the ball low and with the power, and then follow up also very, very important. So like I'll place the ball and the shot as low is more effective and difficult for goalkeeper to save them. Understand? So guys, try to place the ball, okay? Keep upper portion of the body on the ball and use your base part. And after that, follow up is very, very important. When you get the rebound also, so you can go again and shoot and goal. Okay? Do it. Yes, well done and good save. Well done, Darren. Yes, very good. Yeah, so see, stop. So have you seen this? Come, Joel. Yeah, ball please. So his body movement was like this, and that's why ball went up. But if we keep the upper part of the body on the ball, so ball never go up, it will go down only. Understand? So put the upper part of the body on the ball and try to hit low. Play. Now, good. Play the ball little front. Play the ball little front, so you get the chance to sprint, and then you will get the force. Yes, well, yeah, go for rebound. Yeah, very important. This is, guys, very, very important. You see this? See what happened? We shoot and we go in the other direction. But if you go for rebound, go follow up, you definitely get another opportunity to score a goal. So it's very, very important. Then after shoot, we should follow up for rebound. Okay? Yes, very good. Go! Hey, stop! So have you seen this now? See? So what he did? He shoot nicely and think his job is over. And then he's done. So that's not it. You have to move forward, again, rebound. If you get rebound, put again. Okay? Yeah. So make a habit of follow up and go for rebound. Yeah, Bhavish. Yes, very good. Good. Okay, guys. Okay. So now, we move to next part of it, because now they get the idea of playing themselves and kick. Now the partner in the game. Football is a team game. So when they get the pass from the partner, how can they adjust and shoot? Okay. So now the ball out here. So now partner will serve the ball there and you adjust and shoot. Okay? Yeah, Bhavesh. Okay, good. Good. And follow up. Follow up. Yes. Make a follow up habit. Yes. Good. 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 Okay. Little lower. Just go back. Stick. You have to sprint for the ball. Unless you sprint, you will not get the force. So, speed up. Yes! Go for rebound. Yeah! Well done. A big hand for him, guys. Let's see how he will make a habit of go rebounding and get another opportunity. Yes. Oh, see, his body position was not correct. That's why ball went up. So we have to put the body on the ball. Okay. So now we'll try left side. So now we always comfortable to hit the ball from the right side of it. And that's why we not practice with the left foot. So we have to use both the feet. So become stronger in shooting. So it's always advantage when you can shoot with both the legs perfectly. So you have to practice with both the legs. Okay, now we'll go for left side of it. So guys, you serve the ball and you with the left. Same. Go. Yeah, very good. And follow up. Very nice. Yes. And now sprint. Yes, okay. Correct. You were low but of the direction, no problem. Next time you try in the direction. Yes, so you can see how difficult they are finding difficult to hit the target because they are very comfortable with the right side, all the ball going on the goal post. But now when we start left, they are kicking here to here. So you have to practice with both the legs equally, so you will be more stronger. Understand? Sprint and shoot. Oh, lower. Yes. Put the body. Good. Good. Okay, off the target. Good shot. Okay, guys. So this is the first part of about shooting or at goal. So hope you will definitely find interesting, and if you practice, you will become better. So this is for the first part. We'll progress to second part. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Now we'll progress to second part of the shooting at goal. It's very important. Is all about turning and shooting. As striker, we don't get the chance to turn. So because defender is behind. So we have to take quick turn and shoot and follow up. So we'll progress to this. Okay, guys. Hello, start. Turn. Shoot. Yeah. Pass the ball. Turn. Oh, well done. Go for follow up. Go for follow up. Don't forget to follow up. Make a habit of follow up. You will get many goals. Okay. Good. Quick turn. Good placing. Very nice. Quick turn. Good. And follow up. And follow up. Make a habit of follow up. Okay. So you can see, as you can see, this is the opponent line. This is like an opponent. So I am a striker. I am holding here and making tight. And as soon as play, I'll take a quick turn. So no chance for him. And then I can shoot and follow up. So it's quick turning and shooting. If you become, with practice, you will become best. I'm sure you will score many goals. Yeah, continue. Come on, guys. Yes, quick turn. Yes, very nice. Fantastic. Yes. Okay, guys. So this is the first part of turning. Now we progress to layoff. As this is a defender again. So I have no chance to turn the ball, so I can play to my partner. They offset the ball for him so he can shoot. So this, yeah, Bhavish. So now I can set the ball for him and he can shoot. And defender cannot do anything. I can block him, I can shield him, so he cannot do anything. And I can set the ball for my partner, he can shoot. Okay? Come on. Yes. Good. Follow up. Follow up. Yes. Make a habit of follow up. It's very, very important. They're going for more power. But in the initial stage, when we want to be perfect in shooting, you should go for accuracy. Once you accuracy is perfect, power will come. So understand? So go for accuracy. Power will be less, no problem. Understand? So play. I'll set the ball for you. Go for accuracy. Yeah, better. Because in big ball, you go into the goal. Play. Yeah. Good. Yeah, continue. Continue. Then. So go for more accuracy. Oh, fantastic. Okay, guys. So you can see that they become better and perfect when they follow correct technique and approach to shooting and can score many goals. So this is the second part. We'll progress to final part in game situation. So thank you very much. Okay guys, now we'll the final part of shooting at goal. So we progress from basic shooting, focus on technique, to turning and layoff, set the ball for partner, and now it's a game situation 2v2 with goalkeeper. So we'll look for every opportunity to shoot at goal so we can score more goals. So let's begin. Okay guys, so 2v2 now. Yeah, start. Nine. Oh, good. Okay, let's start from here. Let the ball goes out. Start from here. So good block. Good block. Okay, good. Good. Yeah. Whoa! Fantastic! Well done. Stop. So you see that very intelligently Lokesh has moved towards and then create situation for scoring opportunity to score goals. So you have to look as a striker, first option, not for passing or dribbling. When shooting, you get an opportunity to look and create situation like wonderfully he did and shoot at goal. So you'll definitely become a better player and score many goals. So big hand for Mr. Lokesh. So look for such opportunity. Passing and dribbling is second, third option. Now you see that if you can dribble, whoop, take side and shoot. Okay? Please. Yes. Yeah. Wow, well done. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, the one side. Wow, good one. Good. Well done. Very nice. Wait. It's excellent. Very nice. So the timing of the pass is very, very important. So give me the ball, please. So what he did, so you were there. So what he did, fantastic. He moved here, but the timing of the pass, he played the ball. So he get the chance. So you have to bring it more towards your side. So when you come more here, now if you play the ball now, no transfer. So bring him, the defender, this side and then play the ball. So then you are going to come. Okay. So the timing of the pass is very, very important. So you can see when you want to beat the defender, you have to take him to other side. And once you play the ball, you should not go for the partner who's going to kick the ball. So the timing of the pass is very, very important to beat the defender. Fantastic. Play. Yes! Wow, very intelligent, very nice. So you can see this. Now both the defender has thought that he will pass the ball. But very intelligently, Darren has took them this side and took himself and took the shoots. So big hand. Big hand for Darren, very intelligently, very brainy, very nice. So guys, now you get the idea of shooting. Now you try to create the situation of layoff. Now we should try to create the situation to set the ball for the partner to hit and shoot. Huh? So see that? In game situation, if you can do that. Good. Yes. Well done. Very nice. Very good. Very good, Darren. So see that if you can go yourself, very good. If not, then you can set the ball. Okay, guys. This is all about scoring, shooting at goal, and with the final part. And the players has executed very well. They took correct decision in many situations, in game situation. So if you learn from the basic of kicking and then turning and then set the ball, and now in game situation, did fantastic. So please keep learning and keep practicing more about shooting, and definitely make you better player, and you can score many goals with shooting. So please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Hope you're enjoying and learning, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you very much.